Mimosas. Traditionally 1 part OJ, 1 part champagne. I think we all know that brunch has changed that entirely. Go to anywhere that has brunch, they have a mimosa bar stocked with blueberry juice, mango juice, lemon juice, lime juice, apricot juice. You get the picture. Also, most mimosas these days aren't made with actual champagne. They're made with Prosecco or Cava sparkling wines. Now we're going to make one super dank. We are juicing our own lemons, limes, oranges. Make sure you peel those or they're going to be super bitter and gross. We're going to take a whole pomegranate. Now the way you cut these is you cut the ends off and you find the little sections. Run your knife through the peel, or the skin, whatever it's called, I don't know. Run your knife through just to break the surface. Give it a quick snap. And out come the little morsels. Takes a little bit of work, but it's worth it entirely. Make sure you get out all those little chunks of the pith. Those are bitter and yucky. We're going to start with some raspberries and blueberries. Put those in our juicer. And give them a zip. Look at the color. It's good. Pomegranate. A lot of people think this is a daunting task, but it's really not. You know, yes, they have seeds in every little juice morsel, but run it through the juicer, you're good. You're gold. And it's got amazing color. Look at that. Now, we already did juice about 16 oranges previous to this, but we're going to do some more with a lime and a lemon. And some pineapple. Give that a quick stir. Now, obviously, you can do whatever fruits you want. You can do watermelon. You can add cucumbers in there. You can put fresh ginger. Anything you want. Anything. Gonna add our fresh OJ to that. And for our garnish, we're just gonna take some pineapple, cut that up into chunks, make a little cut through the bottom so you can stick it on the rim of the glass. Every bartender knows this trick. See that? You don't have to smoosh the thing on there. Make a little slit, slide it right on there. Same thing with our lime. Little cut. Slides right on the rim of the glass. Fill our glass just over halfway with our sparkling wine. Takes a minute. It's the bubbles. It's the bubbles. And we're going to take our fresh juice. Slowly add it. Because, again, it's the bubbles. Looks good. Look at that color. It's awesome. All right. Forget it. Forget it. That is delicious. Want my pineapple?